Welcome to the enchanting world of tarot, where every card opens the door to new insights and perspectives. Today, we're embarking on a journey with the very first card of the deck, the Fool. Picture a young traveler at the edge of a cliff, stepping forward into the unknown with a carefree smile. This is the Fool, embodying beginnings, potential, and the purest form of adventure. With only a small bag, he carries everything he needs, symbolizing our inner resources. The white rose in his hand represents innocence and a love for life. And the small dog at his heels, a reminder to stay aware of the realities around us as we chase our dreams. When the Fool appears upright in a reading, it's a call to embrace new beginnings with an open heart. It encourages us to take a leap of faith into the unknown, trusting the universe's guidance. This card tells us it's okay to approach life with a sense of wonder and excitement, reminiscent of a child embarking on a grand adventure. However, if the Fool appears reversed, it cautions against recklessness or overlooking potential risks. It's a reminder that while chasing dreams is vital, grounding ourselves and thinking our actions through is equally important. The Fool reversed invites us to find a balance between adventure and reality, ensuring our journey is both joyful and wise. As we conclude, I want to encourage you to save this video. Whether you're conducting a reading or seeking deeper understanding of the Fool, this guide will be here to light your way. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and the Fool reminds us of the beauty in starting anew, the power of potential, and the significance of trusting in the journey ahead. Before you go, if you know someone else who's exploring the world of tarot just like you, consider sharing this video with them. It's a wonderful way to spread knowledge and connect with others on this mystical journey. And if you're eager to learn more, our channel regularly features instructional videos covering all the cards you've seen today. Subscribe and join our community to deepen your understanding of tarot and share in the discovery of its profound wisdom. Thank you for joining me today. Let the spirit of the Fool inspire your adventures. May your path be filled with discovery and joy.